Hello, I'm here to talk about dengue fever and ways to protect yourself and your family. The dengue fever is contracted by female mosquitoes, which can then lead to a more horrific form of dengue fever, hemorrhagic fever, which can cause fluid to accumulate in the heart and lungs and can be fatal, especially in children. The female mosquitoes are the ones that infect humans. They go from infecting a human, back to mosquito, and back to human. The following symptoms can be very serious or mild depending on the infected person. They may subside, the symptoms may subside and then return again after 2 or 3 days, making the person weak and lowering their blood pressure. There are ways to prevent all of this, and that is by fixing your windows and doors and screens and making sure that everything is locked, not allowing the mosquitoes into your house or your property. Throwing away any debris that's outside, such as bottles and cans, anything that can accumulate water or standstill water, such as potted plants. You want to bring those in as they are inviting to mosquitoes. Wearing repellents with DEET can also help protect you against mosquitoes, or citronella candles. If you wish not to use DEET, there are also natural ways of repelling mosquitoes. Wearing light-colored clothing can also deter from having mosquito bites, as they are attracted to colorful things, as well as wearing long sleeves and long trouser pants. We are looking into implementation as well, such as having people summons when they are allowing debris on their property, releasing sterile male mosquitoes to help prevent the females from spreading the disease, picking up any debris that may be in the street, not necessarily on people's property, but out on the street to prevent any further infection, offering vaccination against the 4 strands of dengue viruses to children to help protect them as well, and offering health education events twice a year to educate the community on other preventative measures. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found this instructive.